It's not a thing, it's an activity. Your body is an activity that you are aware of as a conscious being. So it's a verb, it's not a noun. In fact, the more we look at the universe, the more we begin to realize that nouns are conventions of language. They do not describe reality, because reality is an activity. Everything is a non-stop activity. Your thoughts are a non-stop activity, your emotions are a non-stop activity, your perceptions are a non-stop activity, and your body and the world is a non-stop activity. Where is this activity happening? And how is it important to know where it's happening? And how does that create for a meaningful existence? So right now, if you go online, if you go on the internet, and you type out the following question: what are the unsolved mysteries of the universe? I wasn't kidding when I said in 1 hour we're going to solve the mystery. So, what are the unsolved mysteries of the universe? The number one answer you'll get is the first open question in science is, what's the universe made of? Because everything is made of something. You know, this microphone seems as made of plastic. My body is made of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. So everything is made of something. What's the universe made of? And why is that even a question? So here is why that's a question. 70% of the universe is a mysterious entity that scientists call dark energy. No idea what it is, other than it's expanding the universe faster than the speed of light.